Okay, we're going to use this flat to cover this small mic here. Do you see? We don't want to make any damage to this mic, so we cover just like this. Okay. The next step is remove all this pin. We're going to use this soldering paste. Just a little bit. You're going to hit the gun here. Okay. Nanti kipas. If it won't, don't hit too much because you will break this small board. Make sure your heater gun is not too hot. Okay, enough already. Okay, next step is we're going to make sure this one is in good condition. Okay, let's see. We're going to use this UV. Okay, good enough. Next step is we're going to change this one. If you want to make any damage from this small, use soldering paste. Put inside of this, because inside here got plastic. You want to make damage any of this. I'm going to use soldering again. This heat gun. Before you put, make sure all the here is in good condition. Now make sure all the here is in connection. You see? Okay, good. The next step is erase this board. Make sure this board has no damage on it. Next step, we're going to use thinner or alcohol. This little Kidomo toothbrush. Okay. Clean all of this. Clean the soldering paste. Clean inside of this. Make sure you clean all of this. Let's see inside this connector. Is it good connection or not? See, no damage at all. Okay, dry it for a while, about 20 seconds.